Welcome everybody to the first episode of my new show. I am Hashnerd, and today we will be talking about the difference between hotspots and lightspots on the Helium network. So the Helium hotspot is currently the only device on the network capable of mining HNT and is responsible for all network processes currently. It has a total of 5 features, the first 3 being part of proof of coverage, which is issuing challenges, transmitting challenges, and witnessing challenges. And it does 2 other activities. It participates in consensus groups, and it transmits data packets along the network. Now, there are currently a number of devices being officially manufactured to act as hotspots. However, there is a transition in the network that's about to occur. The Helium network is in the middle of an architecture transition that will see the elimination of the hotspot, converting it into a light hotspot while also adding validators and packet forwarders. In the new architecture, consensus group activities will move to the validators, and from then on, validators will be in charge of writing new blocks to the blockchain. Proof of coverage will be handled by HIP-19 approved light hotspots. Packet forwarding will be handled by approved light hotspots and DIY light hotspots. At the end of this transition, all existing hotspots will be converted to light hotspots. Whether these new converted light hotspots are capable of working in proof of coverage will be dependent on manufacturer updates. Light hotspots come in 2 varieties, HIP-19 approved and DIY. Approved light hotspots will be capable of participating in proof of coverage work as well as packet forwarding. DIY light hotspots running Gateway RS will be capable of packet forwarding and eventually will earn HNT for these activities. Alright, this is going to bring us to the end of the first episode. If you like this video, like and subscribe and comment anything you want to see.